Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Espresso Accessories Set is probably one of the most essential investments a home barista can make, transforming your daily coffee ritual from a simple caffeine fix into an art form, and we're here to help you navigate the world of these crucial tools to elevate your espresso game to professional levels, ensuring every shot is pulled to perfection and every latte art creation is a masterpiece, making your kitchen the ultimate coffee destination. Number 5. YHOSSEUN 4-ounce Ceramic Espresso Cup Set with Stand. Discover the YHOSSEUN Ceramic Espresso Cups. This set is designed to enhance your daily coffee ritual, offering both style and practicality. Keep your espresso cups organized and your space tidy with the included iron stand. Its modern design features a narrow rim to preserve the heat of your beverage. Each cup holds 4 ounces, the ideal size for your espresso shots, lattes, or tea. The comfortable handle makes every sip a pleasure. Made from professional-grade ceramics, these cups are built to last. Enjoy their premium quality and textured matte finish with every use. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This beautiful and textured espresso cup set is a perfect choice for housewarmings, holidays, and special celebrations. What we like. If you appreciate a touch of modern elegance in your kitchen and enjoy a visually appealing coffee experience, this set is for you. Its chic design and narrow rim help maintain coffee temperature, making it ideal for those who savor their espresso. If you're looking for a stylish way to serve and enjoy your coffee, consider this set. What people say. The Espresso Accessories Set includes a tamper, milk frothing pitcher, and a cleaning brush, providing all the essentials for home baristas. The tamper has a comfortable grip and provides even pressure for a perfect espresso shot. The milk frothing pitcher is made of stainless steel and has a capacity of 12 ounces, ideal for making lattes and cappuccinos. Number 4. 12 ounces stainless steel milk frothing pitcher. Experience professional quality with this 12-ounce milk frothing pitcher. Crafted from durable, food-grade stainless steel, it's built to last, resisting odors, stains, and rust. Plus, it's a breeze to clean and dishwasher safe. This pitcher boasts an elegant design with a mirror finish exterior and a brushed interior. Its tapered, dripless spout adds a touch of sophistication, making it a stylish addition to your kitchen decor. The generous 12-ounce capacity is perfect for your daily coffee needs. Achieve perfect latte art with ease thanks to its simple design and dripless spout, ensuring no mess. It's designed for comfortable gripping and pouring, even during extensive use. The heat-resistant handle provides a safe and comfortable experience every time. This versatile pitcher isn't just for frothing milk or lattes and cappuccinos. Use it to serve milk or cream, or even for liquids like water, juices, batters, and smoothies. It gives you complete control over your pour, bringing barista-grade results to your home. As a special bonus, this milk frothing pitcher includes 2 stainless steel flower coffee spoons. They are perfect for enjoying your coffee, tea, cake, or desserts, allowing you to savor every moment. What we like. For the aspiring home barista who loves crafting latte art, this pitcher is a game-changer. Its professional-grade stainless steel, dripless spout, and comfortable handle allow for precise pouring and beautiful designs. If you're looking to elevate your coffee creations and achieve barista-level results, this is the perfect tool. What people say. The design and quality of this set is so cute and durable. I really find it useful in heating up my milk for any variety of latte I'm into making each morning. Nice looking milk frothing pitcher worked well. Great size. Number 3. EspressoWorks All-in-One Espresso Machine. Enjoy delicious espresso, cappuccino, and latte right in your own home. This machine brews perfect shots and steams milk for your favorite coffee drinks. It even has an auto shut-off for safe and convenient use. Get your coffee fix in no time. Thanks to its efficient heating system, it's ready to brew in under 45 seconds. Plus, the warming tray keeps your cups perfectly heated before brewing. Looking for a gift for the coffee enthusiast in your life? This all-in-one set has everything they need to create amazing hot and iced espresso drinks year-round. This set comes with everything you need. It includes an electric grinder, portafilter, milk frothing cup, espresso cups, and a measuring spoon and tamper. This machine fits perfectly on your countertop. It features a clear, removable water tank with a generous 1.25 L capacity. It also comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty for peace of mind. Enjoy the rich flavor of freshly ground beans with the included grinder. You can adjust the grind size to achieve the perfect consistency for a full-bodied cup every time. What we like. If you're new to making espresso at home or want a complete, no-fuss setup, this all-in-one machine is an excellent choice. It heats up quickly and includes everything you need, from grinding beans to frothing milk. If you desire a convenient and comprehensive espresso experience without the need for multiple accessories, this set is ideal. What people say. It's a good size and it is very sleek and will look very nice with whatever your kitchen, office, classroom decor or theme is. It came with lots of functional extra items. The 2 high-quality porcelain cups were surprisingly just that. Very cute and classy. The machine also comes with a scoop for the ground espresso. The rest of the functions on this machine are problem-free so far. The drip tray is also easy and quick to clean. Number 2. IAOSEN Large Capacity Espresso Knockbox. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this knockbox is built to last. Its durable rubber knock bar, reinforced with a steel core, ensures quiet operation and protects your portafilter. Featuring a large opening and deep groove design, it holds a significant amount of coffee grounds. This means you won't have to empty it as often, keeping your coffee bar neat and elegant. The rubberized bottom ring provides anti-slip and shock-absorbing features. This ensures stability while knocking out pucks and protects your countertop from damage. Disassembling the rubber knock bar is simple for easy cleaning. You can rinse it with water or even place the inner vessel in the dishwasher. Its perfect size allows it to fit conveniently under most espresso machines. It's an essential accessory for any home or office coffee enthusiast looking to enhance their brewing experience. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a beginner, this knockbox is designed to improve your coffee-making process. It's a must-have accessory for anyone who enjoys brewing espresso at home. What we like. For the dedicated home espresso enthusiast who brews frequently, this knockbox is a must-have. Its large capacity means less frequent emptying, and the durable, shock-absorbent design protects your countertop and portafilter. If you value efficiency and a clean workspace while making multiple espresso shots, this accessory will streamline your process. What people say. Great capacity and the non-slip base keeps it stable on the counter. The removable knock bar makes it easy to empty and clean. Works as advertised. I especially like that it can hold a good amount of waste pucks before it is too full and needing to be emptied. Very durable and made out of good quality materials. We like that the bin holds a lot of coffee grounds, so we don't have to empty it out that often. The crossbar that you tap on comes out for easier cleaning. Number 1. GdHaHSP 51mm Espresso Accessories Kit. Transform your coffee-making experience with this comprehensive espresso accessories kit. It includes everything you need to achieve perfect shots every time. Our 7-needle WDT tool, crafted from 316 stainless steel, effortlessly breaks up coffee clumps. This ensures optimal extraction and prevents messy channeling or spattering. The magnetic dosing funnel attaches securely, keeping your workspace clean and minimizing coffee powder spillage. It ensures accurate dosing for a better coffee experience. This 1.7mm thick, 150 micrometers puck screen promotes even water flow and prevents tampering issues. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it's durable and reusable. Expertly packaged for coffee lovers, this kit fits all professional setups. Achieve consistent extraction quality whether at home or in a commercial cafe. Enjoy peace of mind with lifetime technical support. Our barista-certified tools are designed for durability and consistent performance. What we like. If you're serious about achieving the perfect espresso shot and want to eliminate common brewing issues like channeling, this kit is for you. The WDT tool breaks up clumps, the dosing funnel ensures clean and accurate fills, and the puck screen promotes even water flow. If you're looking to optimize your espresso extraction and achieve consistent, high-quality results, this set offers essential tools. What people say. The build quality really surprised me. Everything feels sturdy and well-made, not cheap or flimsy like some other sets I've tried. After using this kit for a week, my espresso shots are smoother, more balanced, and repeatable. The WDT tool performs well but can be slightly tricky to reinsert into the base. A cone-shaped entry would improve usability. The filter screen and magnetic funnel work seamlessly and fit my stylosa perfectly. The material is high quality and has a reliable heavy feel to it. They're simple and easy to clean. The magnets are a nice touch and sit perfectly onto my 54mm portafilter. It also comes with extra wire on the off chance you need to replace a bent or broken wire. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.